Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Arts and Woods, and in this video I have two designs of door for you. Door is the gateway, the entrance, the main door of our place, or could be the inside door, maybe for our temple, for our drawing room, or bedroom, or different places. So we make doors in solid teak wood, just like you're looking at here. The sizes are always customized. This one is 4 feet, this one is 3 feet, this is 8 feet high, that's a couple of inches shorter as per the client's requirement, and the colors also. Both these doors are in 45 thickness, almost 2 inches, and the overall sizes as per the client's requirement. Both these designs are for main door and in solid teak wood. The traditional style is a different design, just like a wall painting, and the client has a picture. He wanted something like that, and we created it. Designs are unlimited. You pick any design, let us know the size, what requirement is, and we'll make it accordingly. There is no dearth of colors. You select the color, natural, dark, in gold, in antique gold, silver leafing, gold leafing, any color, triple shade, dual shade. We have already done so much. And not just doors, if you want the door sides, door top, door side design, or you want some design on the chocolate itself, the door frame, we are doing all that. You select the model, you select the design, 35 mm, 45 mm, 2 inches, or more than that. Even we have created 3 inches door earlier, very traditional design. And one design was double carved, very heavy model. So, very heavy to subtle designs to modern door designs. We are making all of them in solid teak wood. So, what you like, let us know. We'll make it accordingly and deliver it to your home at factory price in India or outside India to 55 countries where we are delivering. The number is right here. Please contact us. We'll be happy to discuss your requirement. Thank you. Dhanyavad.